everyone. Welcome to POC TV. Today we are going to see more tips and tricks from iMovie. In the last sessions, we have seen how to import the video into the iMovie, how to play around with few settings. Today we are going to see all the menu icons on top of the video frame. So when you select any video, you can see all these settings are enabled now. So by clicking on each settings, you can apply the related effects into your video. So if you click on the first one, which is the color balance, you have four options: auto, match color, white balance, and then skin tone balance. Apple has a good information. When you hover over in any one, it will give you what is the purpose of that particular option. So you can improve the video quality throughout the video by clicking on this auto. You see how the difference from previous to now. So here there is so much flashlight changed the actual color of the carpet and the wall. Now by clicking on auto, you can see the exact carpet color and then wall. See how much is the difference. So this will be applied throughout your video to make it real. And then match color. This one, you can adjust the color of the clip to match color of the other clip. So I'm removing this auto so you can see the difference. If I click on the match color, and then you need to use this filler by clicking on this, see how the video is changing. So because I'm clicking on black, so it is applying black throughout the window. Likewise, if you click on any other colors, so it basically modifies accordingly. So the color will be slowly changing. See now the little bit bluish, is applied in your video. So similarly, using this filler, you can choose any color from the screen. See the mouse pointer is changing to a filler. So that's how you can change the whole color of the video. And then white balance. So this is to adjust the white balance of your whole video. You can select a color on the video frame using the eyedropper. Using this eyedropper, if I select this brown here, see the brownish is mixed and applied throughout the video. So if you don't want it, you can just click on it. It will go back. If you click again and then click on something else, so it changes accordingly. Similarly, skin tone balance. So again, you can select the eyedropper. So you can, if there is a people in the video, you can make the skin tone color matching. So it changes accordingly. So next one is the color palette. So here you can reduce the balancing, and then the temperature of the color, how warmer you want to be, not just the brightness. And this is basically a saturation. So by default, it will be set in the measurement where the video is recorded by, but you can adjust based on your need. This will make it too bright, this will make it extremely dark, but this will basically make a little bit darker. So on this saturation, based on your interest, you can say this will make your video completely black and white. And this will increase the color saturation in your video, make this stronger. And this one, the heat temperature, see it looks very strong. So likewise, you can change them. If you don't want, you simply click on reset. It goes back to the previous ones. This is a cropping. You can basically adjust your size of the video and then orientation of the video by using these options. This is by default in fit, and then you can say crop to fill. What is the position of the video? If you want only the top header, then you can just use that. if I say crop, you can also, expand, so and reduce them. That's the maximum of the video it goes to. So you can reduce if you want only the actual background, the decorations alone. So here you can use the rotate the clip, clockwise and counterclockwise. See, it's completely changed. This will make it horizontal. This is counterclockwise. So similarly, you can change the orientation of the video as you wish. And then this is stability of the video. Assume if you are taking the video in the moment, so you want to stabilize it a little bit. By clicking on this, it analyzes the motion available in the video and automatically stabilizes it. This will do it automatic, but if you want to adjust on your own, you can use the bar to move left and right to stabilize the video. So this particular analyzation is doing okay. Is there any movement in the video? And it says, okay, the shakiness is stabilized now. So if you want manually, you can increase and decrease the same. And fix roller shutter. So to reduce motion distortion. So sometimes it will be blurred somewhere. If you make the camera move side by side very fast, so sometimes you will see blurry videos. So you cannot adjust like completely, but with this you can adjust the little bit of shake, at least to make it a little better for viewers. So if you don't want any of this, same thing, you can click on the reset to remove them. And this is the audio we have seen in our earlier videos. Same thing, 303 is the best voice quality, I'll say. So selecting by control command A, you see all are selected now with the yellow ones. So then if you put whatever number you want, my recommendation is 303, and that will be applied for the whole video. So the audio will be smooth and equivalent throughout the video. So this is noise reduction equalizer. You can reduce the background noise by clicking on this. It will automatically analyze and adjust. So if you manually want to adjust it, you can change the settings, and then it will automatically does that. An equalizer, currently it is in flat, but you can change it to anything you want. This is the speed of the video. Many people will be interested in this. In general, it comes with a normal setting, and then you can make it slow motion if you want, or you can make it very, very fast. This is 2x, and this is 4x, and this is 8x. See, the video is shrinking accordingly. See, now the 20x is the maximum where you can see the video is shrinked to very, very small. In 2x, it is very large. You can see the bottom of the timeline changing. See the 4x, little smaller, 8x, much smaller, 20x, too fast. If I play this video, you see the rabbit is shown. So it means you have made it like a super fast. So basically goes extremely fast. You can see the voice is like distorted a little bit. That's because the fast you have used in the video is not equivalent to the voice actually. So whenever you are doing the fast forward or the slow motion, it's better you reduce the volume of the video. So when you click on the video, if you reduce the volume to 0, and then if you play again, see, it still goes very fast. See the movement in the video frame, you can see it fast, but you completely avoid the noise because you cannot make voice to be in the same way when you are doing a fast forwarding. So by clicking this, also you can make, lower the clip volume, but my recommendation is to put this to a 0. So throughout your video, you will see it's completely 0. My recommendation is to put this, so throughout the video it will be completely noiseless, so you can see the fast forward motion very clearly, rabbit fast. And then you can also do freeze the frames if you want in a specific spot. You can say what is the duration of that. I'm putting back to normal. This is clip filter under audio effects. So currently it is blank. So you can actually change this. You have a lot of effects here, right from, you see it's slowly changing the colors, the comic cool. So it changes the total saturation of the video. See, it's completely different look and feel now. So if you want to, show to your viewers a little bit in a, animated way, so you can use this kind of a setting. So if you don't want to show the, sharpness on humans, you can basically select this. So it will modify the complete video into an comic cool. So similarly, there are various cool effects. This is a bleach bypass, sepia, then sci-fi, so negative. So this looks like a negative of the film actually. So all the colors will be reversed basically. So likewise, you have a lot of cool effects. You can make it glow, day into night, X-ray. So the various settings you can change. It applies to your whole video. And finally, the information. So by clicking on this, you will see what is the name of the video, when it is recorded, what is the complete duration of the current clip you are on, and everything will be visible. What is the total minutes, what is where you are currently on, everything will be visible here. By clicking on this, it will go bigger. You can see this is very useful during editing process. I hope you enjoyed watching today's tips and tricks. Thank you.